The software interface is a multi-touch version. Please note, a multi-touch is not a simple touch. They are two different worlds. The touch is a keyboard image on the screen, where the operator presses the button drawn as an icon and the machine executes a command. Multi-touch is comparable to a smartphone, a different and more powerful way of working. You can scroll a page, zoom with 2 fingers, draw with the tip of the fingertip, rotate the pieces and much more. Still, a mouse and keyboard remain available. Genya's partner for this task is Siemens. The system's robustness and reliability are fundamental elements for us to guarantee our customers that at every startup the machine is ready, functioning and performing at any time, especially when there are urgencies and urgent deliveries.